Today's pile of awesomeness, fall of 2017, as the leaves change behind me. A worldwide collaboration of scientists yesterday announced that they had discovered something called a kilonova, and it is the collision of two neutron stars 130 million years ago. That's right. They basically watched something unfold from 130 million years ago. Turns out these are two super dense stars, basically the size of an American city, New York or San Francisco, but as dense as our sun. And they were circling each other for thousands, maybe even millions of years in a gravitational dance, getting closer and closer. And by the end, they were spinning at about a third of the speed of light, and they crashed into each other. And this sent two amazing things happening. One is that it sent gravitational waves outward that ripple the fabric of space-time, something only in the last few years have we started to be able to actually observe using a series of observatories called LIGO. One of them's in Louisiana, one of them's in Washington, but they pick up these minute blips in space-time. What was different than the first couple observations those places made of black holes was that because this was the explosion of two stars rather than a collapsing inward, it sent out radiation that can be detected. And at first, a satellite picked up gamma rays, and then immediately thereafter, word went out worldwide to scientists. Wake up! Check your satellites, check your telescopes. And it turns out this thing also gave off detectable radiation that was picked up by traditional satellites. We could see this thing in the sky. They recorded it for about 100 seconds and then watched it over the next few days as the light shifted. What also happened is that this thing spewed out a cloud of metals, including platinum and gold, the size of our solar system. Like someone whacked a tube of toothpaste and out exploded not only light and radiation, but precious metals. This is a window literally into creation of heavy elements on our planet and in the universe. More than a dozen scientific papers were published simultaneously. One of them had 4,500 authors on it, because none of this could have happened without the collective wisdom of humanity. Thank Goddess for science, for giving us a window into something much bigger than ourselves. Sort of unbelievable that we're watching an event from 130 million years ago as it transforms the part of space that it exists in, and hopefully our minds along the way. Have a wonderful day. This is Snippets of Transformation.